The greatest miracle of this world is not any invention or technology. It is the human body and the mind. Human body is the most complex system with maximum self-healing capacity. With proper technique, one can tap into our own innate ability to self-heal from any physical and emotional condition. With this trust on your own body and mind, let's begin the Day 1 Transform 2023 series. This is Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga. Let's get started. The Day 1 Detox Your Life. In Ayurveda, the term ama refers to the waste materials that's accumulated in our body. And this ama is responsible for many diseases in our body. On our first day, our first step is to detox our body, mind, and the environment. First, the body. In yoga, we have the Shat Kriyas, the 6 Kriyas, the 6 cleansing techniques to clean the entire body, to remove the waste materials from the body. But these Shat Kriyas should be learned and practiced under the professionals, so I'm not going to teach them here. But there are simple methods that can be followed to remove the ama within you at the ease of your home. The first organ that needs to be detoxed is our digestive system. Starting from the stomach to the intestines to the colon, that is the place where most ama gets accumulated, as many of us doesn't know the art of eating, which we will be learning in the upcoming days. As a baby step towards detoxing your digestive system, as you wake up in the morning, drink 1 or 2 glasses of warm water and practice 10 minutes of yoga. This will kickstart the detoxing journey within your digestive system. So this is the 10 minutes that you need to spend for your body to. There are also other intense methods to detox our body fast, like juice fasting, water fasting, intermittent fasting, or fruit fasting. Everything needs to be started just by analyzing your body condition and your current health status. The next one is our mind. The emotions like anger, jealous, hatred, negative talks, all these are emotional garbages that we store in our mind, which in turn will affect our mental health and also our physical health. So how to detox these negative emotions from our mind? You need to start observing your thoughts. So as an activity for today, just start to observe your thoughts. It can be any time while you are having a chat with your friend or colleague, or when you are scrolling through your Facebook or Instagram. Just observe your thoughts. What thoughts are running on your mind? Are you catching any anger or jealous on the other person? Then start to analyze why those thoughts are coming within you. If anger, jealous, or hate is coming on other person, it is not coming because of the activity of the other person most of the times. It is because of the low self-esteem or any emotional problems within us that is cultivating these negative emotions from within. The first step towards healing starts with identifying and accepting the issue within us. Once we accept our issue, we will be able to change, or at least we can try to change. So today the second activity is to observe your thoughts for 10 minutes and catch hold of all the negative emotions and to analyze why these thoughts are coming within you. We miss to have the self-talk that is essential to understand ourselves. Communication is important in any relationship. In the same way, self-talk, the self-communication is important to bring the better version of yourself out. So don't miss to do the second task for your mind. And the third comes the environment. The place where you are staying for most of the time should be clutter free. Each particle, each object carries some energy, and if you are sitting on a cluttered space and doing your work, your mind will not be able to do the work 100%. So take 5 minutes or 10 minutes of your day and try to clean at least your office table or your kitchen cabinet. Wherever you spend your most of the time, try to declutter unimportant things from the place. And also don't forget to take a step back from unwanted people in your life. So to give a glimpse on our today's activities, we need to detox our life. That is the topic for today. To detox our body, we need to start with 2 glasses of warm water and 10 minutes of yoga today morning. And second step is to watch your mind for 10 minutes and catch hold of the negative emotions and have a self-talk with yourself on why you are getting those negative emotions on others. And the third step is to take time for decluttering your environment and your life. I will be giving the link for the 10 minutes yoga that can be practiced after drinking 2 glasses of warm water. It will be there in the description box below. Do check out, and I hope I have made this video clear for you to understand the importance of detoxing your body, mind and your environment. If you have any questions, please do drop in the comment section below, and once you are done with all the 3 activities, comment below as done day 1, so I will get to know that you have completed the task for today. Do subscribe to our Aathmik Yoga channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we post the next video on this Transform 2023 series. Also follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages. You can join with us in our WhatsApp community where we can discuss about the health, fitness and diet related queries with the professionals directly. Share this video with your friends and family who might also get benefited by watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you do not feel like completing these tasks today, watch the video that you have recorded previously. That will give you the motivation to start with the activities. Nandri, Vanakkam.